Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss the very important topic today. What in the field of marketing, the topic is email marketing. You know that every brand is using email marketing for their advertisement. They send their emails, promotion and new offer to their user which have registered their email to their brands. So first we will discuss what is email marketing. In the second step we will discuss is this important in 2022 as well, and how does the email marketing work, and what are the tools and tips and tricks to uh, do a email marketing, what are the software and what are the strategies, and how to become successful in email marketing. So email marketing is sending a commercial email to the list of contacts who have given their express permission to receive email communication from you. So they are the ones who have contacted you earlier and you have saved their email, so you can send them emails as well. The emails can be promotional emails and other can be informational emails, so you can send your brand information time to time. It can be newsletters, you can send them. And also the important is announcement. If you are any announcement, email is the perfect way to inform customer of a company announcement, news release of product, change to the service as well. So re-engagement emails, so you can send them again re-engagement again. If they are not responding, you can send them a again email as well. So in 2022 email marketing is very good because everyone nowadays have an email and they see their email when they receive email from their brand companies. What are the benefit of email marketing? First, the conversation, selling your products and services. Second is your brand awareness. You get the brand awareness to their customer loyalty. So the customer become loyal to their to your brand because they know that the company is taking care of you by sending you information and replying you in every movement of their product. Why email marketing is important? First is accessibility, affordability, your own email list. How does email marketing work? So first, for starting your email marketing, first you must have email marketing software which you can buy from any online company. You must create an email list of your customer. By creating email list, you can send them the multiple email directly to their. So I hope this is the lecture. You can see this blog as well, and you can buy the following tools to send a bulk email as well. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.